guys doing?
I'm playing.
Molly, what are you doing?
Thank you, babe.
Oh, you really?
So because let me check.
You guys trying to play with the radio?
Yeah, we're playing with the radio.
Can you make music come on?
And we can't do it
Why not?
because there's sharp fingers.
Really?
Yeah, but there's no DVD player. We're gonna watch a movie.
Oh, on the CD player?
Get the CD out.
Molly, what are you doing?
Let's do it again.
Molly, can you shake your booty? Oh, I see it.
Is Dad gonna see this?
Do you think he is?
Yeah.
You guys are cracking me up.
I'm gonna do it. Let's do it again. Okay.
It's gonna be a miracle if that CD works after this is over.
You good video?
The CD.
Are you still filming?